What if I told you there's a luxury SUV so reliable that owners drive it for 500,000 miles without blinking, and some even hit 1,000,000 miles? Not a Toyota Land Cruiser, not a Tacoma, not even the legendary LS400 sedan. This Lexus SUV quietly became one of the most indestructible luxury vehicles ever built, yet most people have never heard how bulletproof it really is. And today, we're revealing the most reliable Lexus SUV ever produced, plus 4 SUVs from other brands that will shock you with their durability. Number 1. The Lexus LX470 is the most reliable Lexus SUV ever produced. The Lexus LX470 may not be a car that you've heard of before. You certainly won't know much about it if you live outside of North America. It's a Lexus-branded version of the Toyota Land Cruiser Amazon, specifically the J100 generation. Originally intended to be a large, luxurious SUV to compete with models like the Cadillac Escalade, these cars ended up becoming favorites with overlanders once they got cheaper on the used market. Why is that? Well, it's actually pretty easy to understand. Thanks to those Toyota Land Cruiser underpinnings, the Lexus LX470 has the same legendary Toyota Land Cruiser reliability. Yes, Lexus models are already known for being very reliable and being able to last for 300,000 miles, but the distances some Lexus LX470s have covered massively eclipse even that. The highest mileage LX470 that's been documented so far has over 545,000 miles on the clock, and it's still going. Much like Land Cruisers of the same era, mileages of as much as over 300,000 miles seem to just be normal for LX470s. It's also fairly cheap to maintain for a big SUV at $512 per year, according to RepairPal, and it's only ever had one NHTSA recall. What other Lexus SUVs are really reliable? The Lexus LX470's reliability is incredibly impressive, but it's far from the only Lexus SUV that's super reliable. Almost every other Lexus SUV you can buy has proven to be incredibly dependable cars that are relatively cheap to run. Number 2. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is another Toyota Land Cruiser-based Lexus SUV. This time, it's based on the regular Land Cruiser model, known as the Land Cruiser Prado in Japan. As you'd expect from something that's essentially a rebadged Land Cruiser, it's incredibly reliable. The 2018 model year Lexus GX scores a very impressive 91 out of 100 on J.D. Power's quality and reliability rating. The GX does cost more to maintain than other Lexus SUVs though, at $770 per year, according to RepairPal. Number 3. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is one of Lexus's most well-known SUVs. It was one of the first medium-sized SUVs you could get as a hybrid in the form of the RX 450h. The 2010 model year of the Lexus RX scores a very impressive 93 out of 100 on J.D. Power's quality and reliability rating. It's also fairly inexpensive to run, with RepairPal estimating that it costs around $540 per year to maintain. It's also known to be able to attain huge mileages. One post in a Lexus RX-specific group on Facebook had an owner who claimed their Lexus 450h had done 330,000 miles. Another forum thread elsewhere had another Lexus 450h owner who claimed theirs had gotten into the 300,000-mile range. In both these threads, there were plenty of other owners who reported mileages of over 100,000 and 200,000 miles. Taking all this into account, it's safe to say that the Lexus RX is an incredibly reliable car. Number 4. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is another one of Lexus's very popular SUVs. It's based on the Toyota RAV4, a car that's known to be incredibly reliable. That's something the Lexus NX shares. The 2021 model year Lexus NX scores 88 out of 100 on the J.D. Power Quality and Reliability rating. RepairPal also estimates that a Lexus NX costs around $690 per year to maintain, and CarEdge estimates that it has a 21% chance of needing a major repair in the first 5 years. While that makes it one of the more expensive Lexuses to maintain, it should cause you very few problems as an owner. That 21% chance of needing a major repair in the first 5 years also sounds high, but it's 18% lower than similar SUVs. Number 5. Lexus UX. The final Lexus SUV that's proven itself to be super reliable is the Lexus UX. This car is based on the same platform as the Toyota Corolla and Toyota CHR. It's not that surprising then that it scores very highly when it comes to reliability. The 2019 model year UX scores 88/100 on the J.D. Power Quality and Reliability rating. RepairPal also estimates that the Lexus UX costs around $551 per year to maintain. That makes it one of the cheaper Lexus SUVs to run, almost as cheap as the RX and not too far off the LX470's repair costs either. Other super reliable SUVs. Lexus may be a byword when it comes to reliability, but it's not the only brand that offers super reliable SUVs. There are quite a few other brands out there that have SUVs that are proven to be incredibly reliable. As you might expect, almost all the cars here are Japanese, and 2 of them are from Toyota. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a very popular SUV all over the world. There's a very good reason for that. Not only is it a great and practical car, but it's also very reliable. The 2008 and 2011 model years of the CR-V seem to be the most reliable, scoring a brilliant 90/100 on J.D. Power's Quality and Reliability rating. The CR-V is also one of the cheapest mid-sized SUVs to maintain, with average maintenance costs of $407 per year, according to RepairPal. That makes it over $100 less expensive to run than the Lexus LX470. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. It's not even close to being surprising that the Toyota RAV4 is on this list. The RAV4 has been proven over many years to be a fantastically reliable car. The 2010 and 2018 model years of the RAV4 tend to be the most reliable, scoring 88/100 on the J.D. Power Quality and Reliability rating. It's also incredibly cheap to maintain for a mid-sized SUV. RepairPal estimates average maintenance costs of $429 per year, making it nearly $90 cheaper than the Lexus LX470. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has made a name for itself as one of the most dependable SUVs in North America. Pretty much any 4Runner you can buy on there is super reliable, but the 2017 and 2021 model years are among the most reliable. They both scored 88 out of 100 on J.D. Power's quality and reliability rating. The 4Runner is also very cheap to keep running for an SUV, with RepairPal estimating $514 per year in maintenance costs. That gives it similar running costs to the Lexus LX470, even though it's probably not as reliable.
Number 4. Kia Sportage. The only non-Japanese car on this list, the Kia Sportage has proven itself to be incredibly reliable over its production run. The 2020 model year of the Sportage got an impressive score of 89 out of 100 on J.D. Power's quality and reliability rating. It's also pretty cheap to maintain, with RepairPal estimating annual maintenance costs of around $462. That makes it cheaper to maintain than any of the Lexus SUVs here, including the LX470. While Kia may not have the same bulletproof reputation for reliability as the Japanese brands, the Sportage has proven that the Kia brand can be a very dependable choice.